Honest video alert. Hi, welcome back to my channel, firstly. And secondly, I am here, clearly you can see, feeling very comfortable and talking about something which is lately very debatable in my life. Anyone who knows me and has followed me, whether on YouTube or on Instagram, since forever knows that I'm really big time into wellness. And I love rituals that keep me connected to my body. I love things that keep me healthy. And I'm always forever exploring क्या नया है, क्या experiment कर सकते हैं, and I've had rituals. But I feel like post motherhood, postpartum, मेरे पास उन rituals के लिए टाइम ज़्यादातर नहीं होता. And then काफ़ी बार ऐसा होता है, मैं सोचती हूँ पहले मेरे पास इतना टाइम कैसे था, मतलब मैं कैसे ये चीज़ें करती थी, और अभी आई डोंट हैव द टाइम. सो टुडे आई एम बेसिकली गोइंग टू गो थ्रू माई इंस्टाग्राम एंड गो थ्रू माई ओल्ड वीडियोज़ एंड रेमिनिस एंड देन टॉक अबाउट द ones, the healthy habits that stuck with me and the ones that didn't, the ones which I still do and diligently, and the ones that I don't. And let me warn you, there are more that I don't do. I think there are only a few that I do, but I think most of my habits have gone out of the window. Let's begin. The dry brushing. So this really used to be one of my most favorite rituals, and somewhere I'm still thinking कि मैं इसको वापस अपनी ज़िंदगी में लाऊं because इसके benefits इतने हैं. The only problem is ये काफ़ी टाइम लेता है. मुझे barely नहाने का टाइम मिलता है आजकल dry brushing, तो it's just next to impossible. I still have the dry brush kept in my bathroom, and I was looking at it while showering, and I was like, 2 मिनट तो लगते हैं आके कर ला. I was like, no. Sometimes I'm like, I don't even apply soap. I'm like out of here. So no, that didn't stick, and I hope it comes back at some point. 100 splashes. Again, one of my top favorites. And yes, ये मैं अभी भी करती हूँ, but मैं थोड़ी जल्दबाजी में करती हूँ. So I do it in the shower, and I just go like. So it's not always 100, sometimes it's like 50, 80, sometimes 10 till I hear a mama. So then it's just 10 splashes that day. But towards the end of the shower, it's not such a big deal. I can just do because it's very, very good for you. And for acne prone skin, I somehow magically see that usse breakouts mere kam hote hain. I don't know maybe it's the acupressure points or what, and my face feels energized and tightened after the shower. So I try and do this one a lot. Mukdamini, this one is a beautiful pranayam that I had actually picked up in my teacher's training course, and मैंने बहुत टाइम तक किया, but अब इसके लिए टाइम नहीं है. मैं honestly इसके बारे में भूल गई थी. So maybe I can just bring it back to my rituals. I've just started, doing my pranayam a little regularly. So maybe I can do this again, because when I was doing Mukdamini, when I was practicing this pranayam, genuinely visible results face पे दिखते थे. Plus it's very good for you. It's breathing. So good for your mind and body both. So okay, PRP. No. No time for it, because I don't have time to go to a dermat clinic and then sit and then do all those things. B, I don't think I have the need to do it. Post COVID, I did have very bad hair fall, and like many other people, and then I resorted to PRP and it gave me results. But I feel postpartum my hair has become better. I had that hair fall, and then the hair grows back. Mothers, you know what phase I'm talking about, right? And then like all moms are gonna, I know, relate to this. Like I remember sending a video to my friend Simran the day this hair came back. I was like, Simran, my hair is back. So people who are watching this video who are not mothers, you're in postpartum month 5 onwards. When you have this, you see this छोटे बाल, when this starts coming is when इसको भी छुपा देते हैं, when you know that your hair is coming back, and it comes back way better. So no PRP for me. I like it natural. I just oil it regularly, and no, this habit did not stick. Mantra chanting, I love this one, but I do shorter, just Om mantras, not all of these detailed ones. From here, the saunas that I used to do, I really miss them. No, I don't. It didn't stick. but I want it to come back. Okay, the silicone depuffing, again, amazing results, but no, hasn't stuck. No time for it. Face yoga, again, great results, but no time for it. As I'm seeing this, I'm like, I can do it. No, but really, time नहीं बचता है हिंदी में. But it's, अभी मेरे पास फुल बॉडी वर्कआउट या योग या आसना करने का ही टाइम नहीं है, सो फेस तो बहुत दूर की बात है. Journaling, I miss it, I love it, and I thought that 2026 I will start doing it. I haven't, but I will. It's, I think, my topmost from this list that I am going to bring back to my life will be journaling, and it is amazing. I feel wherever I've reached in my life mentally, जो stability मुझे मिली है अब तक is through journaling. It just helps me gather my thoughts, and any negativity, I just put it on that paper and it feels like it's out of your system, and troubles have magically disappeared from my life whenever I've journaled. Actually, now is the time all the more I need to journal with the way my brain is. Washing my face with Perrier. By the way, credit for this wellness hack is my husband. Can you believe it? He's also into all of this, or used to be. He used to do this in Switzerland. So Ashish taught me, and no, not stuck, but once in a while when I've had a heavy shoot day or I've had heavy makeup, तब मैं Perrier से last में or any carbonated water से I wash my face and it works. Massages, they are still a part of my life, but not as much as I want them to be. पहले मैं हफ्ते में 2 से 3 मिनिमम massages लेती थी, अब मैं महीने में 1 या 2 लेती हूँ. So yeah, I do miss it. And lastly, the ice face. Yes, it has stuck and it is an amazing practice. I won't say that I do it every day, but I think हफ्ते में 5 बार तो मैं कर लेती हूँ. एंड इसके बारे में actually I've spoken about on my face and skincare ritual, so you can actually go and check out that YouTube video as well after this. This one is my ideal morning, and I really fantasize about it so much. It's so simple and I really miss it, and no, nothing from here has stuck. Again, oil pulling is something I want to bring it back. Isme I've spoken about like I think 3-4 things. Oil pulling, definitely I want to bring it back. Ghee water, maybe. Meditating I do. Playing with Shamsher has stuck, thankfully. But mainly the oil pulling has not stuck. But again, that's something I want to bring it back. It has so many benefits. Abhyanga, self-massage, no chance. No time for that. Okay, so that's about it, and this has been fun. It also kind of makes me feel very productive, if you know what I mean. I feel like I'm making a mental checklist of what all I'm going to bring back. So I know मैं oil pulling वापस शुरू करने वाली हूँ, journaling शुरू करने वाली हूँ. ये 2 चीज़ें तो definitely, and maybe I'll share my experience about it when I start doing it, so I keep getting motivated. Yeah. Tell me about your wellness habits that you are currently doing, or any wellness habits that you have picked up postpartum. I don't know, I haven't. I only picked up bad habits postpartum. But I think I've just learned more patience and acceptance, which I think is the most beautiful wellness habit that you can incorporate. So yeah, that's a happy mom saying goodbye to the old habits and embracing the new ones.